Well, it's day 2 of our drag challenge adventure. We've got here now. We're at Willowbank Raceway. We got into Ipswich last night about 9:30, which turned out to be 8:30 because Queensland don't roll on daylight savings time. Whatever, that's their problem. But yeah, basically all things have gone pretty well with the drive. We've done about 1,200 Ks now in the journey. The only thing that we did have, we've noticed that we're getting a lot more engine temperature now that the new Empire engine is grout filled. So basically they fill the bottom half of the water jacket in the block with grout to stiffen it. The byproduct of that is it carries a lot less coolant volume. We are in the process of building a new radiator for the car, which will most likely fix all of that problem anyway. However, that is taking a bit of time because we want to get it right and correct and fits the car and suits the engine. So that's down the wayside. But Benny's already gone for a couple of passes in the Mustang. We've already run like low 9s, just with very basic testing. Unfortunately, we decided to password lock that ECU when it was in America. And for whatever reason, none of us can remember the password. So basically we lost the tune that was in that ECU and we've had to go back to a more basic revision. Pro tip, save your tunes. Don't rely on the ECU to always have that tune. But yeah, basically we're here now at Willowbank for a private test day. Tomorrow is sign-on day for Drag Challenge Weekend 2020. So we're going to spend the rest of the day here testing both the cars. I've also got to do oil change on this, change the wheels. At the moment it's still full street trim, so it's got street tyres, front and back. That engine oil's done heaps of just driving around car parks and stuff, and it's sat at the shop for a while. So like our previous video with the Mustang, we're going to change the oil before we go racing on it because oil's cheaper than an engine. Also, I'd like to give Valvoline Australia a shout out. Those guys have come on board, so we've now officially partnered with Valvoline. So now we're going to be running all Valvoline lubricants within the car, within both cars actually. So it's going to be pretty exciting to have those guys on board, and we'll be no doubt doing plenty of content with those guys in the future. All in all, we had a pretty good day today at Willowbank Raceway. Benny had a pretty good run with the Mustang. He's had sort of 4 or 5 passes to sort of get a bit of a refresher. I think the best was about a 9.0 or a 9.1. We were sort of chasing our tail a little bit towards the end of the day with the Cresta. Not quite where we were hoping to be. I think we went about 9.4. The route that we're going to travel is going to determine a lot of the strategy we're going to run with. So if it's a fairly sort of comfortable cruisy route, which I highly doubt it's going to be, we'll run that tomorrow arvo. However, if it's a sort of a bit more of an arduous route, we'll most likely be just running that on Saturday morning. So there's no rule on if you've got to do it on Friday or Saturday. All you have to do is basically complete the drive and hand in your photos, and then you can basically keep going. So we'll, yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a good thing, but we'll pack it up for today and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Morning, Pugs. Tiger.
Morning, mate.
How you going?
Good.
What's on the card for today?
Probably just sweat our ass off.
Yeah? Morning, Benny.
Good morning, Woody. How are you?
Good, mate. How you going?
I'm good. Welcome to Drag Challenge.
Yeah.
Awesome to have you back again. And
Hell yeah.
I feel like we got the
How you
band
going,
back
Al?
together
I'm all right.
finally.
The band's back together.
I know, right?
Woody wasn't going to wear his bloody big hat, no cattle.
He doesn't. He doesn't.
Gotta do
disappoint.
it. It's the outfit.
Doesn't disappoint.
What do you reckon? I reckon I look pretty snazzy.
You look consistent.
Consistent.
Yeah, no cattle.
Well, I've got a little hat. How about that? But then there's no cattle. Whee! What up, dog?
None. What's up with you?
Not much.
Just looking at myself in your bloody pit vipers.
How good are they?
Wondering whether
they're not pit vipers.
Whether there's any baggies available underneath that hat of yours.
God damn it.
Well, this is it. Drag Challenge Weekend 2020, day one. We're here with Benny's Mustang. Got the Cresta here as well. But more importantly, we've now got Alan Woody on site. So we've actually got some professional filming and Alan's professional bothering us. But no, it's going to be awesome. I'm so keen to have the band back together.
Am I actually professional or not?
Oh, you're good enough.
Does it make me professional because I do it for a job now?
It's a bit porno if you talk from behind the camera though.
Oh. Do you not want me to do that, Benny?
I don't care at all. No, we're so pumped. This is basically this is our drag week this year. Unfortunately, with everything that's been going on, we haven't really had a lot of events going on. But we've been lucky enough to be eligible to actually come to Drag Challenge because where we're located at BCW and where I live is south of the exclusion zone, which is basically big ring around Sydney. But we're outside that, luckily. Alan Woody, obviously from Queensland. They don't have to, they're from Queensland, we're still in Queensland, so there's no drama there. Maddie's the same deal, he's outside the area, so we're all in. The band's back together for the most part. Unfortunately, Dad's not here. We got a bit of stuff going on back at home, so he's doing his thing. But yeah, we'll do the best we can, and same deal with some of Benny's crew. They're from Victoria, so obviously they can't come up. But we'll push on this weekend, and it's going to be a mad weekend. So let's do it.
Are you blokes alright over here? Looks like you're struggling a little bit, mate.
Massive struggle, mate.
It's like Maddie's
No cameras.
Hey, Marv.
Hey, son. What's going on there?
How are ya?
I'm good. It's
Yeah.
good to be back at the track again.
Hell yeah. How good's this?
Just hanging out
Nice.
with my little mate Woody. Yeah, cream hamstrings.
What's your job this weekend, mate?
I'm a herder of cats and,
Okay.
and a master reporter.
Rightio.
Basically, I just got to talk to people and write down what they say, and then Street Machine puts that on the website, and yay! Everyone finds out.
That's like your normal day-to-day job, isn't it? Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Talk to people and, oh yeah, Davo, how's he trying to go? Yeah, sick, bro. Bloody ripper.
Oh, hi, mate.
Oh, hi.
What's happening?
So have you got one car or two cars?
Two.
Two cars?
Two.
Who's faster?
Scott.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, what a shame, mate.
He's always faster. You can't beat him. I can't beat him.
Good stuff. In for a good weekend, mate.
Yeah, I'm going to do like 15s today because I'm scared.
Apparently the track's not too good either.
I don't even care. The IHRA guys here, so I'm doing like 15s.
Oh, that old chestnut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not getting booted on the first day.
Yeah, cool.
And then tomorrow we'll get a bit more, and then Sunday we'll
Turn it up.
send it.
All right, we'll go sign your life away and
Yeah.
I'll see you soon.
See you around there.
Cheers, mate.
It's not very centre, mate.
There is not many to give.
What's with this? What's with the colour match, mate?
Look at that. Yeah, it's just a bunch.
And that's a fake hose there. That's
Nah, it's legit.
It's legit.
really
Which one? This? That's a breather.
the other one.
Where?
The fake braid.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mate, that's like 2000 spec.
Why are your windows up?
It's an aircon.
Aircon, you reckon?
How good is that?
Well, hang on. How much power does this thing make?
1000.
1,000 horsepower and aircon.
That's what you got to do.
What is this?
I actually spent a whole week optimising temperatures.
Oh, did ya?
Radiators and fans and
Ah,
aircon. It's all about aircon efficiency.
1,000 horsepower NA1 you said, Benny.
Yeah, they're the best kind.
Don't reveal all. I've got to put a fresh air filter in it.
All the secrets is in it's fucking.
What's going on with that one? It's even funny, I didn't notice you did that.
How's the track looking, mate?
It's all right at the moment. It's kind of pretty dry. Like it's not very tacky on the start line, but kind of out the 100-foot mark, it seems to tack right up. So I'd say they're probably going to do another full spray this morning before we actually get on the track. I mean, it's not bad. There's no holes in the prep or the surface or anything. It's just not very tacky. But being that it was such a hot day today, yesterday when they sprayed it, a lot of that's probably cooked off already. So hopefully they give it a good drowning this morning. The only difference is they've got to prep 2 lanes today, so obviously that's twice the amount of time. So they've got to allow a bit of time to do that. But we don't start racing till 1, so that's not a massive deal, and we can just kind of get on the track and do our thing. And hopefully that means by 1:30, 2 o'clock, we're actually on the road. Inside scoop today, the drive's about 250 k's. I don't know anything about the route. Like, no, obviously we haven't got the hot tips or anything, but there's whispers that the route's about 250 k's today, so should be fair. I mean, I don't want to get confident, but it should be fairly manageable. And then obviously we'll probably be looking about another 250 to 300 tomorrow, and then back at old Willowbank again for Sunday.
What's about Scotty stitches us up and tomorrow's like real hectic?
There's going to be some goat tracks or something going on, I reckon.
Yeah.
The thing with organising this kind of event is, especially when you do it remotely, sometimes you can't actually check all the roads and the route. Unfortunately this year Scotty's not been able to make it up here and check the routes. Normally he's a bit of a master on all of that gear, so hopefully the routes we're on, while they'll be challenging, they're not actually going to be like bad quality roads, like damaging vehicles. Like I don't want to see cars with buckled wheels and that sort of gear. So obviously the Cresta's not a bad car, but it's not exactly some of the show quality cars that are here. Like there's some legit like show cars here that guys race. So like some of the stuff here is like $300,000 cars, and I'm just like, that's wild. Whereas we're running, I mean, I love the Cresta, but it's not exactly, it's a utilitarian vehicle. It does its job, but it's definitely not going to win any show and shine awards. Oh well, we'll keep looking.
What's your thoughts on the track, mate?
Well, it's the same track for everyone. So that's one fair thing.
Yep.
So see how we go.
Wise words.
Welcome to Drag Challenge Weekend 2020. Nice warm weekend we've arranged for you, so I think the scrutineering all went pretty well and everyone's got their stickers, so we're good to go.